If you want to check voicemail messages on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, we need to go to the phone app. Then over here at the bottom we can switch to the keypad and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial your voicemail. This usually allows you to quickly listen to all the messages that people might have left you. And if you, for example, press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, or you cannot reach the voicemail like that, and then what you can do is you can go back to the home screen and tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner and then choose settings. Now over here in settings, go to voicemail, select your SIM if necessary, and go to advanced settings. Then in this place we can find the voicemail number, which we can edit in case it is incorrect or in case it is empty. And if you don't know what number you need to provide over here, the number that you need to enter here, you can simply contact your operator or service provider and ask them about the voicemail number, or you can Google that information. Leave a like and subscribe.